Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the Barracuda X. Charge it, ready the USB-C or 4 GHz dongle, and position the mic. Once done, plug the dongle into your PC or console USB port and turn the headset on. You should see the LED blink quickly. This signals pairing mode. Make sure the device you want to use is set to accept external audio input. If you prefer Bluetooth, press the Bluetooth button and select Razer Barracuda X from your device list to complete the first connection. You now configure and optimize sound. First, set the Barracuda X as default playback and recording device in your operating system so all audio routes correctly. Then, adjust the mic boom about 45 degrees from your mouth for clear pickup. Enable side tone so you hear your own voice. Once that's stable, open Razer Synapse to tweak EQ, enable virtual surround if needed, and check for firmware updates. These steps improve clarity and latency, so make sure to test with game audio and voice chat. Finish by testing the headset in the actual environment. Join a quick match or voice call to confirm mic clarity and speaker balance. If you notice hiccups or dropouts, switch to wired USB-C to rule out wireless interference and verify stable audio. Make sure firmware and Synapse are up to date. If pairing fails or audio disappears, reset the headset by holding power and pairing buttons for 10 seconds and repair. This usually clears stubborn issues and gets you back to gaming quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.